In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to talk about the current war between Palestine and Israel. We once fought for freedom, but now we fight for revenge. Once people fought to live, now they live to fight. In Palestine, children run for missiles even before they can walk. In Israel, sirens replace lullabies. This isn't just a war, it's a cycle. It's a curse passed down. No peace, no justice. A bomb drops, the world gasps. A ceasefire comes, the world forgets. And it all starts from the beginning. More louder and more deadlier. You can't bomb the way to peace. You can't bury the children and expect silence. You can't bomb the home and call it harmony. The leaders talk about right and defense. So what about the right to live without fear? No side owns pain, no child deserves death, no God demands this. The world watches, the world moves on, while the parents bury the future. They call the Palestinian resistance terrorism, while they call the Israeli occupation a self-defense. They call the one defending his home a terrorist, while they call the one bombing the home a defender of peace. Is humanity even alive? If we keep on choosing pride over peace and revenge over reason, then don't be surprised that what we are left with is just dust and regret. Because a war does not determine who is right, but only who is left. I would like to end my speech with a very famous quote, that is, an apple fell and Newton discovered gravity. While many Palestinians fell, no one discovered humanity. That's all from my side.